30 miles on the Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. Bridge is getting low, shrimp boat coming home. The old man down in the quarter slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on a puncher train underneath Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane come around every June. High black water, devil's daughter, she's hot, she's cold, she's mean. Nobody taught her, takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. They came down from Chicago, gonna sit down and let it ride. He said, need to be at least 3 feet high, and we'll make it through the night. Old man down in the corner said, don't you listen to that boy. Ought to be down by the morning, he'll be back to Illinois. See, I was born in the rain on a puncher train underneath Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane come around every June. Black water, devil's daughter, she's hot, she's cold, she's mean. Nobody taught her, takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. 30 miles on the Gulf Stream, hear the south wind moan. Bridge is getting low, shrimp boats coming home. The old man down in the quarter slowly turns his head, takes a drink from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on a puncher train underneath Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane come around every June. High black water, devil's daughter, she's hot, she's cold, she's mean. Nobody taught her, takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Nobody taught her, takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans.